Hey, what's up, guys? Sorry, I was on vacation. It took a little longer for me to get this video out. But this is going to be the NR200 running video. I'm going to start it up. I'm going to try a couple different exhaust methods on it. One is the original one it comes with, but I'm also going to put the L200 stacks that just come straight out of the engine, so you guys can kind of hear the difference. I have mufflers on my Defender just to quiet it down because the L200 was super loud, and this NR200 I think is louder for sure than the L200. So I'm gonna run it both ways and make a couple videos so you guys can see. So if you guys want to put the mufflers or run dual exhaust, you can kind of hear what it sounds like. So let's get to it. See it. Alright guys, this is the NR200 with the Toyan L200 exhaust stacks going into the mufflers. So let's go ahead and see what it sounds like. Alright guys, so what I did now is I actually took the exhaust off so you guys can hear it with just the L200 exhaust stacks that come, the same way on the Toyan, to just kind of hear what that sounds like. Let's go ahead and start it and see. Captures that, but it is super loud. I mean, I'm here in my porch and it's kind of echoey and it's just extremely loud. So I'm going to put the factory exhaust manifold down and see how that sounds. Alright, and here it's with just the factory exhaust with, I did open up the holes and kind of bevel it to kind of match the misalignment that it was machined with from factory. I don't think it's going to make much of a difference with the sound, but this is just so you guys can hear the differences. Give me 1 second. Start it up. A little rich. sounds like. It's actually a little quieter when you run the factory manifold on it, the exhaust manifold. It's definitely a little bit quieter than running obviously the 2 stacks, but if you want a much meaner sound, the L200 single exhaust stacks that come out of here definitely make it loud. But there you go. That's kind of the video, and I'll be releasing more as I get this thing going. I'm still waiting on the radiator. Obviously, it's been probably maybe half a month, a little over a month, something like that, since I ordered it, and it still hasn't come in. So go figure. It's kind of the normal when you order from parts for these things. But once I get that going and I got the car all done, I still got to do the linkage here for the carburetor. Got to figure that out. Not sure how I'm going to do it, but that's all that's really left. And once I have it running, you guys will see it. So thank you guys for watching. Take care.